Good day, multi-trader, and welcome to the blind analysis for the week. And today we're going to be looking at gold. There are two news events that took place this week with gold. First, we've got to go to American politics. I know it's boring, but listen, this is important for gold. Joe Biden's presidency, they have initiated a $1.9 trillion stimulus package. Now, why this is good for gold is that there's going to be some type of inflationary effect. As more money gets printed into the economy, it means that the prices are going to go up, and this includes things like gold. The second aspect is with Tesla's electric car company. As you know, this week Tesla put in a $1.5 billion investment. This was into Bitcoin because they are now going to start accepting Bitcoin as payments. But now what you might not know is that Tesla is also accepting gold and gold ETFs, which are exchange traded funds, or gold with Tesla, as a form of payment. So they are taking full advantage of the return on investments. So what this is going to do is set a precedent for other companies to start investing in cryptocurrencies and also other digital assets, but also gold and exchange traded funds. And this is going to raise the price of gold as more investors are going to be looking at the possibilities into the future. Now let's go straight into the charts. So we're looking at the weekly chart of gold. I'm using ProTrader. And basically what I want to highlight is since September 2018, gold has been moving up on a huge uptrend from $1,170 all the way through to $2,070 per ounce. And since that time, it's also been forming a breakout pattern. So if we take two lines from the lows and we show them that there's higher lows, and we take another line from the highs from making lower highs, it's formed what's known as a symmetrical triangle. And a symmetrical triangle is very similar to a wedge, except for one big difference. Basically, between the high and the middle of the formation, and between the middle and the low, is pretty much the same. So it is a symmetrical triangle, if you put it that way. A symmetrical triangle is basically a continuation pattern from the previous trend. So what we can see is that the previous trend was clearly up. It's now been bouncing up on higher lows and lower highs. And now it has bounced on the most recent low, and I am anticipating a breakout to the upside from $1,895. And the price target that you normally set for a symmetrical triangle is at the most recent high. So the most recent high was $2,070, which is where I'm basically setting my price target. And now a lot of you have been asking me to do also an analysis on indicators based on the charts, and absolutely, I will do that for you. What we're looking at is the RSI, which stands for the Relative Strength Index, which basically tells you the momentum of where the price is heading and what momentum is setting up for the future. There are three important lines that I use. The first one is the 30 level. The 30 level is basically when the price is oversold and there's going to start being buying, which is going to most likely drive the price up. Then there is the 70 level, which is the overbought level, where the price is reached, where sellers start looking at shorting the markets from this price, and buyers think about selling their positions. And then we have the 50 level mark, where anything above 50 is bullish and anywhere below 50 is bearish. So clearly we can see that the RSI has been continuously bouncing on this 50 level, and at the same time it's been forming a symmetrical triangle as well. So what it's doing is it's made a low, then it made a higher low, and then it made an even higher low. So this is bullish. And then based on this, it's been making its lower highs, but we are near the apex. And so we are expecting a breakout to the upside, which then the price will most likely head on up. And while it heads on up, the price of gold will also go up with it. So it is confirming via the indicator analysis and the price analysis that gold is set to rally to $2,070. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment. Tell me what analysis you would like to see next. This is important for my premium multi-traders because basically it tells you of the type of stocks that I'm going to be looking based on the analysis that I do on a weekly basis. So gold, hint, hint, could spark another trade opportunity in the gold market, whether it's a stock, whether it's the commodity itself, or whether it's an international stock based on gold. Either way, I'm looking at this, it's looking good, and let's go for it.